go, go, go.
Is it gone?
Yeah.
I just hope I can see.
Do we continue our vlog? Alright guys, it's a few hours later, me and Ian were riding in the snow. Now we got the American flag, and Evan's riding behind the truck on the skis. Evan always volunteering for the craziness, flipping in the barbecue. Oh! You good? Alright guys, my phone died, but anyways, we're pulling Evan, so let's get going with this. Yeah, he said ready. Here we go. Whipping Evan high speed here. What's the speed we're looking for, Ian? It's really dark in here.
35 at least. 35 at least.
Okay. Here we go, Evan.
Yeah, I'm right. I gotta stay to the left, Joe.
You gotta stay to the left?
Yeah.
Okay.
Peace. Go, Ian, go, go, go!
He's saying go, go, go. You almost hit a mailbox?
You just ducked right under.
Of course, the second joint goes back inside the truck.
Oh my gosh.
I didn't see it.
If he was any slower at ducking, you would have
He would have took it out.
rocked the thing.
Nice look.
Slingshot.
I can't catch up.
Wow.
Yo, go across the street.
Yeah, he's just staring at Evan. Oh, look, they're getting yelled at. Are you filming? They're getting yelled at. The plow truck guy came over. Oh, Oh no, they're not. Here, let's see. They're not getting me on that.
Yo, they're calling the cops. They're calling the cops. The guy's here. Yeah. Wow, people.
Dude, I just made this guy. Dude, it was so funny.
What was he saying?
Dude, he was like looking at you guys like this, and I was like, yeah, it must be a shit. Or I was like, you're such a fucking killjoy, dude. And he's like, get out of the car, come say it to my face. And I'm like, come get me. And so he starts chasing me. And I'm like, keep coming, retard, keep coming. And he chased us all the way to the fruit store, dude. I'm like, yeah, it's a
I was watching behind us, we could see him.
He chased us all the way. I was just like this thing out the window, like, keep coming, big guy, keep it coming. Oh my god, it was the funniest shit. And then Evan was recording it, and then his phone got full of storage. It was so fucking funny. I don't know how.
Why were they so mad?
What's illegal about? We're not on a public road, so call the cops. I don't give a fuck.
Why was he so
And now he's
mad?
trying to fight me, so yeah, call the cops, buddy. Like, what do you want to do? You're trying to fucking fight me.
He
out
was
there.
waving his arms at. Yo guys, so this video is a little scattered all over the place. So I'm gonna try and just narrate what happened. So basically, when we went to McDonald's, Evan was gonna try and ski through the drive-thru. There was a guy plowing the parking lot, and he had a partner shoveling the sidewalks. And basically, they just started yelling at Evan and his buddy who was pulling him in the car. Evan said they just started screaming at them right off the bat. I couldn't really hear it, and the camera didn't really pick it up because we were across the parking lot. They started screaming at him, saying they're calling the cops. And then, so as we were leaving, I guess the guy who was shoveling started waving his arms at me. I didn't see it, but Ian did. So then, as Ian said in that last clip, he pulled up to the guy and was like, "You're such a killjoy," etc., etc. And the guy started chasing him down the road. I did see the guy chasing him in my rearview mirror. It was pretty funny. But anyways, not really sure what they ended up doing or whatnot because we just left. So hopefully when we get more snow, we'll try that again. We ended up getting about a foot of snow that night into the next day. And then the following night, we got like another foot of snow. So we ended up with like 2 feet of snow. It's kind of crazy. So unfortunately, there isn't going to be any dirt bike videos for a little bit because I can't ride the bike right now. So that leads me into my next thing. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys want to see more of. If you want to see dirt bike stuff, let me know, but that dirt bike stuff is on the back burner right now because I can't really ride in 2 feet of snow. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know. Also, if you guys saw that Barbie Jeep clip, I filmed the whole video on that, but it was nighttime when we did it, so you can't really see much, so I never posted it. But if you guys think that was funny and you liked it, we will film another video. Also, if you guys haven't seen that, Buttery Films reposted that on his story.
You good?
I sent it to him. It was pretty cool. Also, guys, I will be out of the country for like 2 weeks. I'm going a little over 2 weeks. I'm going to Australia. I don't know if you guys want to see like vlogs from there. If you do, comment Australia down below. Well, other than that, subscribe for more. Let me know what you thought down in the comments below. Smash that like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.